你好 ，Welcome to Learn Chinese with David. Yesterday, on 24th of August 2016, there are two earthquake strikes, Italy and Myanmar. 意大利中部几千层地震，已致159人死亡。意大利中部阿马特里切镇 （Amatrice） 特里切镇堂发生里氏 Richter 6.2级 to 6.2地震 earthquake very shallow 几千层地震前 shallow 层 means layer means close to the earth's surface。意大利闽市保护署说，目前死亡人数已经达到159人。闽市 civil 保护 protection 署 bureau department 目前就是现在 currently 死亡人数已经达到 achieved this one。上游大量群众被埋在瓦砾底下，埋 bury 瓦砾 the rubbles 瓦 means tail砾 the rubbles 底下 below， 因此死亡数字可能继续上升。The death numbers may be continue rise up 上升 to rise 继续 continue。意大利民防总局首长将这次地震与2009年拉奎拉 6.3级地震相比较，该次震灾共有309人死亡。There's a very interesting article. Just in 2014, there's a court overthrew the judge, which is the scientist, 7 scientists, who is responsible for the fail of the prediction the earthquake. The case was overthrown. 总理办公室表示，已经派遣救援队伍到达重灾区。重灾区 the heavy 重 heavy the hardest struck area。缅甸 Myanmar or Burma。2016年8月24日，缅甸中部发生里氏 6.8级地震，缅甸至少有1人丧生，几十座古寺庙受损。At least one people died and dozens of the temples was damaged 损 damage。美国地质调查局说，震源位于缅甸中部城镇 Chok 以西25公里。地质 Geography 调查 Investigation 局 Bureau。震源震 earthquake 源 the results 位于缅甸中部城镇以西25公里。地震破坏了城市的许多佛塔佛布达塔 the pagoda， 并造成至少3人死亡 and caused at least 3 people died。 泰国、孟加拉国和印度都有震感。 Have the feeling of the earthquake 市民惊慌地跑到街上 They are panic run to the street。 Here's a 30% off coupon. You can apply this coupon code in edu.biz/shop. Even the course is under promotion, you will get 30% off extra. Take it. If you need the one-to-one Skype lesson, our teachers are waiting for you. All course design are using the same method you are looking now. Use a PowerPoint to design in very detail, give the best English translation possible. And all course cover from very beginning to very high end. Our course design is FY1 to FY6. FY1, FY6 stand for the Foreigner Year 1. It's a course for foreigner to learn Chinese. And K1 to K3, kindergarten, Year 1 to Year 3 for the children from 3 years old to 6 years old. And our course also designed for the examinations for the foreigner, like the HSK, from level 1 to level 6, HSK stand for 汉语水平考试 means Chinese Proficiency Test. It's a test done by Chinese government, especially for the foreigner to sit for Chinese exam to test your level of Chinese. And we also have many courses for the GCSE, IGCSE, AS, O level, A level, no, they call A1 or A2, the British exam. And also international Chinese exam like IB. IB stand level, SL, and IB HL, the high level. And also the American course, SAT and AP Chinese. See you.